Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Pycharm software. This is the official website of jetbrains.com from where we are going to download Pycharm. It's taking some while. So guys, we are going to download it from here. It has two versions. One is the paid one, which is the professional one, and the other is the community one, which is free. For now, we are going to use the free version, which has all the basic things that we are going to need to save the file, and it is downloading here. So while it is downloading, it is a big software, 270 MB software. Let me tell you what Pycharm really is. So Pycharm provides facilities to programmers. It has built-in automation tools, error detection, and code completion. So we are going to wait for it to download. Make sure you watch the previous video first, where I teach you how to download Python and install it. Okay, so we are done with the download. Now let's install it. Select yes. Click next. This is where I'm going to install it. It is going to take about 670 MB of space. Okay, so we have 64-bit Windows installed. We're going to add a shortcut, add launchers directly to the path, and .py. Make sure you select these options. Click install. Alright, let's run it and see if it is installed or not. I confirm, continue. No, I don't want to share my data. And there you go. Now you have to select the theme. I will select a dark theme, the dark Kuda theme, and let's skip the remaining and set default. So there it is. In the future, I'm going to show you how you can use this along with the Python software for scripts. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Thank you.